Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to view your comments count in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress interface and check your website's comment statistics using a Google login. This guide is designed to be both clear and concise, ensuring that you can quickly complete the process. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the WordPress website. Once you are on the main page, direct your attention towards the top right corner where you will see the login option. Clicking on this login command will set the authentication process in motion, allowing you to access your personal WordPress dashboard. This area is where you manage various aspects of your account and website. After you click on login, a new page will prompt you with different options to sign in. Look for the option to continue with Google. This method is a secure and efficient way to log in using your existing Google account credentials. Clicking on the Continue with Google option will redirect you to your Google account selection interface. Using a Google login streamlines the process and removes the need to remember another password, making the overall experience smoother and more secure. Following the selection of Continue with Google, the system will display a list of Google accounts associated with the computer you are currently using. Choose the appropriate Google account that you have linked with your WordPress profile. This step ensures that you are accessing the correct account and helps maintain the security of your site data. Once you have made your selection, WordPress will authenticate your login and redirect you to your account's main page. After successfully logging in, you will now want to locate the area that shows your website statistics. You can begin by navigating to the statistics section of WordPress. Although there is a clickable link provided in the tutorial, the important part here is to recognize that WordPress organizes its data into several categories, making it easy to find the information you need. As you click on the statistics section, you will notice that the interface is designed to give you a detailed overview of your website's performance, including elements such as likes, views, and comments. Within the statistics section, focus on finding the comments area. This is typically labeled clearly, ensuring that even if you are not familiar with the interface, you can easily locate it. Selecting the comments option will display all the comments from your website. This feature is particularly useful because it consolidates all interactions from your visitors into one central hub, making it easier to monitor engagement on your posts. Reviewing these comments is not only about counting numbers, but also about understanding your audience and building a community. By following these steps, you now have the ability to quickly access the comments count on your WordPress website using your Google account for authentication. The process is streamlined with a modern user interface that guides you every step of the way. This practical approach allows you to stay informed about your website's interactions and engage more effectively with your audience. Enjoy staying connected and keep exploring the numerous features available within WordPress.